Meet the AUX Inverter Ducted System for year-round comfort. Featuring eco-friendly R32 refrigerant. Maintenance is effortless with smart design elements like an upright PCB for quick access, a slide-out fan motor, and an easy-to-disassemble evaporator. The slide-out filter is easy to clean, which helps improve your home air quality. No matter your space, the AUX inverter can fit into most current home setups at only 21 inches wide. With installation options of vertical, horizontal, or inverted, plus the slim design, it can fit into most spaces such as attics, closets, and more. The long piping design that reaches up to 164 feet is perfect for any layout. The Max ESP, up to 1 minute water column, ensures airflow is carried through the whole home. Engineered to handle the extremes, the system operates seamlessly from -22 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Enhanced refrigerant cooling technology keeps the system running smoothly in high temperatures, while the high-efficiency DC inverter compressor delivers top-notch quiet performance, boasting a max SEER2 rating of 19. Built to withstand voltage changes to protect against power surges. Multiple controllers. Compatible with both 24-volt and 485 communication control. Elevate your comfort with the AUX Inverter Ducted System. AUX. Powerfully strong comfort.